tracking at nighttime. And it looks like a fishing boat with lights on, scrolling up. Let's get some shots riding with the bike. And nice close-up shot. As you can see, it'll track all the way around. If a pole gets in the way, it still continues to track the face. In these shots, these are all examples of the actual camera. This is the HolyEye. We're going to be reviewing the camera. This is the footage that you see from the actual camera. And we're going to unbox. This is a 4K pocket gimbal camera. It is from HolyEye with 330-degree AI face tracking, slow motion, time-lapse, video, photo, with a ton of filters and more. We're going to open up the package, show you what you get inside. It also has an application for downloading. It has an instruction guide to go over in detail. Out of the box, we have the gimbal camera. As we take out, we have turned on the camera. It opens up and it recognizes and turns. The camera is in English and other languages to start. Please remember to peel all film off and choose the language by the center OK button. English, the date 2026, and the arrow for the month and year. OK to set the date, and then to set the time is in military time. Once the time is set, we are ready to use our camera. We have hours, battery life, a microphone, the camera in the video resolution at the default 2.7 at 30 frames per second with the 1x digital zoom and AF. We have an M button, an LED indicator, a 5D joystick area, a record button, a flip screen, and on and off button. On the side of the camera, we have the SDXC card slot and the USB charging area and the 1/4 20 socket and the speaker area. In the front of the camera, we have the microphone located right here. As well on the bottom over here with the lanyard strap area located on the corner. Taking out the cover, we have the SDXC card, a 16 gig card, a USB-C charging cable, and a lanyard strap, a carrying pouch, a soft velvet-like pouch, a microcloth, and an accessory for the camera. This is known as a magnetic holder. Simply place on, lock down with the feet, any magnetic surface, and place on and adjust to the angle desired. And you're ready for shooting. Be placed on the table and opened up for extra security, as well as grabbing and folding down for a better grip getting into the controls. With the gold pins facing towards the screen like so, place in the SDXC card. Turn on the camera by the upper button on the side. Swipe down from the top to the cog gear and the setting, and scroll to the bottom, format, and confirm. Back out. To set up the video mode, you have a mode button. Left and right on the joystick, slow motion, loop, time lapse, photo, auto, burst, and timer. Touching the screen near the center and swiping over allows you to get in as well. Swiping from the bottom up allows you to change the resolutions and the aspect ratio by picking the resolution you want. To change the resolution, swipe from the top to the bottom, the cog gear, record resolution, and then you can use the joystick to go up and pick the resolution and hit the center and OK. And then you can back out and you could and then hit the back out button. Up on the joystick, the 5D buttons, up is zoom 4 times. Down is out. Left is looking left, right is looking right, 330 degrees. Center, autofocus lock and unlock. The online screen display, you have your SD card, your battery power, your audio, video mode, resolution frame rate, auto focus lock, and zoom. Swiping from the left over is your playback. Swiping the opposite way gets you into the settings, the quick settings. If you press on the quick settings, nothing happens. You have filters. You have a ton of filters to choose from, many. Touching on the screen will not get you out, but swiping over will. You have your ISO from 100 all the way up to 6400. You have the exposure in single digits, 0, 1, 2, or 3. You have spot metering. You have about 5 or 6 different spot meterings. And you have your white balance. Simply go down, cog gear, and everything can be taken care of here. In the filters, we have normal, black and white, negative, retro, red, green, blue, purple, cyan, yellow, INS 1977, bronze, rainbow, and many, many more. We have a sharpness control, video quality, a time watermark, and audio to mute. On the side, we have an on and off short press. We have a flip, a press, and the screen flips. Face tracking, the bottom button, single press, and we're able to track the face. We have here's the person, clicking on it, nothing happens, or enlarging. To stop auto tracking, click again, and it will stop tracking. With the camera in the off state, it is free flowing. This is a 2-axis gimbal. It goes left and right, up and down. This is a 4K 2-axis gimbal to be held 90 degrees and used for everyday vlogging and sports. It is IP4 rated and not waterproof. It has a nice large screen that is locked in. We have a flip button that flips around and AI tracking. And we're going to go out and get some shots for you and show you what the video is about and how the application works. Open up the application that can be found in the manual, enter preview, and connect the device by setting up the Wi-Fi. In the camera, go into the settings and turn on Wi-Fi. Once the camera is turned on, it has a barcode, a QR symbol. Open up the HDV cam. As we open up the application, we enter the preview. We're going to go directly to the settings. We have a resolution, aspect ratio, beauty, white balance, filter, and so forth with the camera. With a lot more than what we had inside the camera. If we back out, we have our picture, our automatic photos, we have timed, video, slow motion, and more. And we have a playback where all our files of photos and videos are at. And we could delete everything off inside. This is our view right here. It takes a couple of seconds to come on. So we can enlarge the screen in full. And we could take a photo of the wall and so forth, like so, by hitting the snap button. And it processes the shot. What we're going to go do now is shut down and go take our videos and photos and our AI tracking. We are set up for tracking, and we're going to stick the unit on an umbrella. And we're going to hit the record button. and we're going to track 330 degrees. As we walk around, you can see the head of the camera following across. If a pole gets in the way, it still continues to track the face. We want to take a shot of the cactus, and nice close-up shot. We're setting up the gimbal. The head is adjustable, that it can go up and down. And we're doing a low light shot. Let's set up for low light and adjust it so it sees me. Here we go. The head moves. And that is how the camera tracks you. As we're going to take a shot walking. Plugging into the computer for transferring is simply turning on and allowing the camera to start. And we have options for file transfer, charging, and PC camcorder. Choose on the joystick storage and press the OK in the center. Open up the program's files, copy, and transfer. Playback of the video is simply double-clicking. And it looks like a fishing boat with lights on, scrolling up. To get out of mass storage is simply shutting down the camera and restarting. And setting up for PC camera, simply hitting PC camera and open up a program. Follow the instructions of the program. You're opening up UVC camcorder. And you're all set up with the PC camera. The HolyEye AI tracking with autofocus locking. This is a gimbal type camera for all your needs with the magnetic attachment. It's video, slow motion, photos, and more. It is a camera for online web hosting sites. A PC camera, transfer your files. I hope you enjoy your camera with the 1.7-inch screen AI tracking by simply pressing on the bottom button and it will track. Simply adjust the head to your liking and it'll track you in every single move. Enjoy your product. If this is something that you're looking for in the 4K pocket gimbal camera. Thank you for viewing.